Mandaktari batikoma itukwenda mono kumenya siri nembi tuone kama tutakuwa maadvisor. Nimeona huku nje arebe mbecha kichunge tuone kama Meru tunaweza adapt, lakini mbere tuambire kwa arire mantu zeu. Karibu sana mutegeri wa Wero TV turi moko mwa studio ya Wero FM 96.4 na mbere tu tukiambiria kwa arire mantu zegi ogima bamwire ndi mbetekeria kurikane mantu zegi kuijukiria insurance gowe na ngare ku motor vehicle insurance cover niomba kwithirwa ina comprehensive na third party muthikeria yomba kwithirwa ikirungamira na ni compulsory actually no batere kwithirwa na insurance yeku ya ngari umenya ni lazima rungu rwa sheria. Third party obatere kwithirwa kana ikava gikuo kana kugurarwa kwa mukuruki wa barabara kana muntu urio gukamatete no passenger kana kinyam intobia third party u owe goto third party bekeja kwithirwa bikinyanga nyuma ya mutino akethirwa agitegerwa mukuruki third party fire and theft owe goto fire na kinya theft ni mantu jegie wamba kana kinya gikuo kagitene ka mutino nayo comprehensive ubatere kwithirwa kimenya kiriatiri itumba kwithirwa kiurungamira driver na kinya mwene ngari. Kwa hiyo no batere kwithirwa gi consider kujokia personal accident cover kenda umba kwithirwa gikaria ndereba oku na kinya mwene ngari kana ugwe ndereba wikarie na kinya ukarie ngari ku no to comprehensive yomba kwithirwa gitegera gikuo kana kugurarwa kwa mumtore ukamatete kana gikuo kana kugurarwa kire mumtore wetana barabara kana pedestrian kana kinya ntobira byomba kwithirwa bikinyanga kana gwatuika ngari kwe kuiwa kana kinya ikugwata mwangi na kiri bara mono bakubatara kana kunuwe na no kwenda kwendia ngari ubatere kwithirwa kimenya atiri insurance age ngari tumba kwithirwa transferable kwa ukagita karo kendia ngari ko batere kwithirwa ki cancel policy yeku na bonge bagetumi bakumenya ne ati apart from kwithirwa wena sticker. Unajua watu wengi wanananga wanapewa sticker wanasema niko na insurance no batere kwithirwa wena document kana policy document ya kuona ni yawe na wetikanirie kana bwena MOU katika ku na kampuni insurance ila yokuwa insurance cha muhimu umenya ntumirije heyo kinyera gukurukira insurance regulatory authority.
Yeah, na kindoto watamenya about policy document. Policy document niyo yokuira kinya rira wekera ndira kirore na insurance company ni mbibyo vo cover
terms and conditions mawado na metarata
easy na hivi anto bateno nabi but make sure when policy document very important. Tha ijiri kirogeta dakika 11 nende mubango ya chanchamuka. Very good morning, karibuni sana Antoba TV kiri mubango ya kuke rukirwa na arua tuenda kwa area mantu yegi ogima mno tukimurika county ya Tharaka Nithi nondo tuli na minister ogima ndene ya county ya Tharaka Nithi Daktari Nthura Kugichoya. Karibu sana daktari, thank you very much nondo botone na kanya rukirwa na arua na first of all congratulations county ya Tharaka Nithi niyo tongereti kirogima ndene ya county kwa miaka elimu mfululizo now, right?
And don't mean tupatie hizo tips.
Karibia mic kidogo daktari.
Kanome adjust. Yes.
So
good.
Better before we go to other details. Siri ni nini? Ama siri ni siri.
Siri ya kuroda.
Siri ya kwethirwa account ya Tharaka Nithi
ngeretie.
Actually te siri ne monto maichekene muno ne anto mothe mamaruta wera monto makoni ogima mwire no theru ne tuishe services inu chitagwa health services kana gutumikira antu ne kenda methirwa mari no gima mwire ora mwega nita nyomba ino tuli nukora nyomba ino ina nthingo ina kuria tukinyete ire itagwa na gichungu floor ina etara roof ugu nibu health ikari health ina ire itagwa building blocks of health na ni miako infrastructure kwithaga kwina service quality ya service na gukethirwa twina capacity kana uboti wa kugura into ira ikwendekana into tandawa machine na muno kintu kira kinene muno as a building block ni mauma gwetwa human resource kana andu maria maruta wira ku no igwe ni laboratory no igwe ni maruta wira mortuary no igwe ni maruta wira ona migunda wigwa thibitari na mugunda maumo ndo na muntu ule kuruguragira ngeti ni part of the so called building blocks kwa ugo kana cha kuinvest na kuinvest kugane mbecha ukenda cha kuinvest both emotionally na concern ya ku directly na ukeragia na makimenyaga exactly mworo twaku nuriko na imu yaku nä rä kå anona må ntå akä bä tia må gekara nthä nake å kamå ria na atä agwekara kwacire gå kå kå bä tagia kene kawacire tå ruta wä ra na health tugaga gå tä må ntå må nene gå kä ra å rä a å ngä gå tä building block nene gå kä ra ä rä a ä ngä kwä na block ä rä a ä tagwa governance na leadership na ä no nä o nene må no nä ntå nä ä can determine wana kå rä te andå marä a å kamba wä ra no ntå to må ndå å kä nandä kwa kå bata na å kä nandä kå bata kana kå thambia thieta sanjo nä agäkinya thieta patient å rä a akaigua ena atari no ntå agå tuä ka infections etc koguo gå tä må ndå te important it's like a link it's like a chain link yes koguo ä no nä o ciri na tä kerä ci no ntå nä icekene
na mantu ankwenda kwariria mantu jegie migomo nonto bwana CC tutiona strikes mono county ya Tharaka Nithi. What is the secret na hata bwetikanirie maybe na human resource kana madaktari baba county ya Tharaka Nithi such that county inge for example Meru kwina looming strike already tigana na ya national? What is the secret?
Actually lengi tekele secret gote mbithwele bo kila kilebo ni era itagwa na gichongo eyeball to eyeball meetings yani mugacuthana na antu mwikarite nthi mukarania ari ni turuthatea na kila ati kwenda no boss wetu boss ni mwajie no uria murwaru uru niwe boss yetu ini health gote boss ana si member te boss okay boss wetu ni uria murwaru kana uria te murwaru pura tukammenyera gimo wake wa mwiri ni kendo turori mwega kogu kwambiria othe kuma kiri governor governor ria mbere no kumenya agitonya kibindi kiria kiari kia mbere 2017 antumetu mothe Tharaka Nithi mari agomu ni mukuririkana mothe ma health maturaga magomete na stembu ya mbere ya governor iria ukirio na mbere ya thura CC members kametire we mwenyewe mekaranthi nake mamwira number 1 number 2 number 3 thina chetu ikario na nona na ambiria gutatua one by one in fact atatuire na nkinyagia ano monde itigare twa inu ciere cionka cia enhanced cover na area inge inoronaga ya mortgage kogu tikere secret no mwanka wigwe na utikage na big man syndrome yani we ukethagirwo kiriongaga na gachogo makendo ringa muntu inu te administration ire ambega kogu makinerewa ogu na makinona ni mwambatanagira na mugwatanagira namo niona kuthie nintikaga duties wana thieta ningendaga thieta na nkarutha operation especially ire muntu alemererwa daktari agacha gutwika atikobota kuthie na mbere na surgery tenu especially gynecological surgeries ningendaga wana tuko kogu na nkathie nkinya tu dispensary turia tunini sana turia twithaga turi kuraja tugekara nthi na ntumetu no to we are colleagues at the end of the day whether you are actually the gate man or the sweeper we are colleagues no to mbozi wetu ni patient ino nio ndawa na wewe inene case ko na thina ugatuka very frank ugatuka open ukauga yes bana ne bakinyete na kuringana na obotu wetu tutiumba no ngatukabanga mwaka uyu turuthe kanini mwaka uyu ungi kanini na ni antu makwerewa ni antu athomu
so other than boss you ambaye ni mwazie the other boss now boss wa pointre niwe chairman wa health committee kiri council of governors the other day tare kurari na mugomo yo madaktari twari na chairperson wa Eastern Upper Eastern right Daktari Dennis kumya no mumenya na Daktari Dennis jire atwira Tharaka Nithi yes you doing well in health lakini you thrive in intimidations ku-intimidate madaktari the other day dira kurari na mugomo borire madaktari bachoke nguine kana bo babute ngui this was a national strike daktari
menya gote muntu tena rotha rwa kuga boria kwenda kuga anatariunga ukiranga uga ko intimidate na kama microphone kako anankera meyano ambuge no nto wapata go translate intimidation in any way ni okerwa chioka werani no nto kwena relationship ya mwandikwa na mwandikani mwandikwa athomba kuringira mbe no nto gutoroka wera no mwanka kwere chioke ko wirani na ndoko kuri kuringana na sheria riu muntu akinauga riria werwa ucioke wirani gwa intimidatwa menya kithungu kiu kiawe na kio nundu kiugo intimidation tikimiru kana gichuka riu au no mwanka riu pengine omwite umurie aminaga atia intimidatwa amanisha atia menya
amanisha kabo bamakia bachoka nguine otherwise baba buta ngwe and that is how
kwina ri my dear friend Mr. Kiogora gichunge sorry gichunge kwina mawatho maria mangaindaga antu maria andike by public itagwa Public Service Commission Act na kwina ira itagwa Human Resource Management Act iyo ndio public service na akana thoma ira ya May 2006 niugaga exactly muntu aura wira mathaa 24 atina gitumi kana ati kunenkerete warning na barua na gitumi no bati no kumubuta summary kwa mauntu mauntu madharakanithi mau ni mauntu mari sheria ni cia Kenya kwa gure muntu akinacha kwirwa echioka wira bai akinacha riu gwaku kenda utangaza ati na ka intimidatwa bantu bau nake na mwanka eto ya udwe ekiugo ekyo gutumira uri ni bora kirutire no ntu nyine quote nkauga gisheria ndutite warning yenu pengine nkuonete ntu ntakuona wirani more than 24 hours more than a week na nakwira atiri kuringana na sheria ire tumikagira no ntu public work no butwe riu gukina thie go translate intimidation riu au no mwanka na pengine wichirie kuthie cukuru uthome welewe mawatho maria matumikagira antu makirutira wira public.
Maybe daktari, apart from kwithirwa tharakanithi the health is doing very well, maybe in a nutshell achievement ira ichumbite kwithirwa gitwika number 1 kirirwangirwa health sector in Kenya imbio kana imbibo kuthithia different.
Actually ndakwira rira His Excellency Muthomi Njuki atonyire athurirwo ni antu matharakanithi 2017 as a governor ashudiririe mauntu mothe maria metagwa health nundu nukumenya wega health actually muntu onaga effect ya health riria tibo when you are healthy you may not notice lakini wait until it is lost edenu ni antu mamenyaga healthy is important ashudiriria all the way kuma mishie kire antu ashudiriria nkinyagia thibitari cia dispensary health center na gwitia na twambiria ko invest kuma kire mishie individual tukimathomithagia mauntu makonie ira itagwa na gicunku good health seeking behavior na tukiinvestaga muno na community health volunteers maria marachenjerio rietwa matuika community health promoters. In fact program ino yonde ambiriria tharakanithi mbere thie to the other nini na twambiriria kuthomithia antu mauntu motheru kuthie na mbere na twambiriria kwandika antu ma health center na health centers to expand nuntu His Excellency agitonya 2017 twena health facilities 64 as of last year turari gukinya 10 meaning no gukubibia distance ira patient akothie go seek health service kuma muchi kinyagia to the next ni na kuringa na World Health Organization guidelines utepatine kuthie kilomita kerukete 5 kuthie guchwa utethio kwa guko invest ko kunthe na gwikira specialists you must also hire specialists nundu kuri mirimo itumba ko manager dispensary kana health center kana na level 4 twambiria kugana na specialists as a matter of fact tukuthie tharakanithi when I was appointed the CC for health gintu kia mbere kira ndarothire of course with permission from His Excellency the Governor ni kwira young people maria mari medical officers and the rest utiumba gwikara utikuthoma no mwanka uthie ukathome no thome kithomo kire kigwa kire helpful na enjoyable kiri weu na kira gigatethia antu matharakanithi twatuma antu engi muno no kuthoma na antu maengi ni marikirie ma specialize in various fields kwogu performance yetu na disease indicators kana tukithima borea turuthite no kuona gintu ta immunization kuchanchwa watwana kwali very very low. In fact the lowest in Kenya right now it is even higher than the national average. Over 98% ya ciana citu ni muntaga cindano. Na akamara methagirwa makithie kuonwa mari expectant rate ya thiego cionthe. In fact, World Health Organization ya citethara kanithi macamambira katuona kulingana na report ile tukuona Geneva suddenly mwale on the bottom na riu muri iguru. We want to stand and see tuone niki gutuma na mathiria mweri umwe ku tukamegaraga chuka magendaga every facility na finally makiumanio mambirire ni uma mauntu mara mukurutha ni makoreta maciaro kwogu in fact teka tukinyite neva kulingana assessment yakwa tutia kinyune ku apana na tutalenga juu
kabisa. Daktari, about facilities de imberiate kuri na proposal ya kwithwa kuri na level 4 igire imwe mpukoni engi kuntu kwitwa Kibugwa. Is it true?
As a matter of fact ana teinu chionka kwina plan ya current government ya Tharaka Nithi ya kuongerera ku-promote health centers kenda itweka hospitals health center itano.
So the reason kuria bu ni ati bakwithirwa Kibugwa na Mpukoni ti kuntu kuraya muno na kwithirwa kwina level 4 igire is a good thing kwithirwa kwina level 4 hospitals because ini kumaanisha ati services ikethirwa ikiongeleka now but kuri areas zimwe for example Tharaka somewhere inside huko atu better distant nda sana ucho tungata why do we have kwithirwa kutwina level 4 zigire antu akuniera 15 kilometers na kuri na chuka referral antu au yet kuntu kungi ya Mara na Tharaka they feel like they are marginalized.
Actually kile kingaindaga gwaka thibitari kana ko develop service ni ria itagwa workload. Workload ni kumaanisha ni aje ni arwaru megana wonaga o muthenya kana ni antu megana wonaga na catchment population yaku igana atia na no kumenya wega tukinekanira ngerekano ya Kenyatta National Hospital. Kenyatta National Hospital igitarire racha muno gutetagwa kwina any other hospital within that region. Kwogu ana muntu arumone ndura kukara no Kenyatta Hospital ala oma no Kenyatta Hospital na nituma kuona gintu ta 1978 ningoririkana kwa ina plani ya gwaka district hospitals in Nairobi na plani yenu ya ribo ya chioka ya mamirwa kwogu rero kuga no kwenda gwaka level 4 kana any other level of service you no mwanka wigwo ukioragia atiri wakale ni challenges ile kwa mama mafesa no distance nemwe ya challenges ile ingine nayo ni congestion in the main referral hospital no totaliwo kegwa ukioragia bora chuka county referral kwina nto ingi muno machaga chuka matipati ni kuga magechaka ile level 5 kwogu ni to consideraga population density. Now to consider the workload iria already existing ya mwera ikona na nkwere Tharaka twina cio tugete tuka lift to level 4 gatonga ni mwe acio na kwina Kibunga no atweka in definition etagwa level 4 etari gukinya kiwango kiria twendaga kwigwa tukinyite no to level 4 no mwanke na theater a functional operation theater na maternity services and all that kwogu Kibunga is one of the imwe tumbajeterite na gatonga na kwina Muthambi all right Muthambi uri Mara kwogu tekuga atineka kuri guntu tugite kumwe ni marginalized kana gukunge gutigirira nyuma. Yes, the policy is leaving no one behind.
Okay. So akariba Tharaka na Mara, do they understand this at the no mwa kwithira kwina population density ibakwe do they understand because kiribo barona yaka bobata yanireti you do not care about
ni makwelewa nonto le nonto no kwana to na CHPs CHPs methagwa makitonyaga micii na kwaria na antu na ira cietagwa dialogue days. Dialogue days ni gwikara nthi na antu village-ini ciao ukaria maundu ma health na kiria gigutuma turuthona nona gintu ta ciakariga ni imwe ya iria thibitari ona kwanza ile na inpatient ward right now no kwelewa na gintu ta kathangasheni ni thibitari nene muno kwogu no ntwale limitation ya financing no ntutharakanithi na Lamu nko no kumenya tharakanithi na Lamu kina show among all the 47 counties ne tuye tunenkagirwa shareable revenue list in the whole country among the 47 counties. Kwogu what you do with bolo karotha na mbeca ido inacio nikyo kaleta difference in terms of service.
So the only level 4 ira ye Tharaka Marimanti hospital akaribe thiri tobakithe taitubwithite several stories that especially kiri mochari barua kinyamuruki now is unbearable.
Mochari ya Marimanti ni mochari ere ambega muno Eastern region.
Really?
Iye na gankwera niyo ndutete wira kila mahali. Na nengo me mochari ya Embu burekari ona buria yakarire ndari kimwana ri ndaruta wira ku mochari ya Meru ni mbicha burekari ona machini ile kule tu twekire Marimanti kurinde kwa ina thina ya go service gakula kare gekire na ruthingoni na ne athondekirwe tene muno kwa pengine ni story ya tene riria ka air conditioner kare kugitati kuthuka lakini karutherwe service but it is the best currently.
Okay. Maybe kire mantu jagie CHVs kana boga community health promoters nowadays bakeja gwita nture ne daktari bakethira a very serious case what unata bolinka bu maybe bokamenya ntura for example ja chuka na mukuru umwe nture ne wina very serious case na tabomba kuthwa bebo kinyira maybe bo amukinyiri otungata
CHPs every CHP kana chief you want the nethagirwa aina thimo a smartphone na airtime ya kulinga kenda a link up na dispensary no nto CHPs marutaga wera kanyamwera nigetagwa community health unit na community health unit linked to the parent or mother health center na communication anokigwa muntu alwarito tuko kana rometwe ne njoka for example ne very easy ko communicate to the nini na ku link up na kaile mene to ne ita kwa call center call center ya Tharaka Nithi ni 1513 anokalinga data ino
yeta through
1513 okauria anything okaerwa anoigwa ni ng'ombe irongie kana ni kwenda kugitwara kubandithio ukerwa oigwa ni muntu ulwarite bana magakwira na ambulance itumwe muntu gute standby ambulances 24 hour now anokenda kugeria midnight tonight you can try.
I will try. Believe me.
We sure will.
So daktari ndikumekethire ikire manto yaku but ko story to abwethirie a few weeks ago facility yendawo kwa ni mubunge wa Chukia Ng'ombe iwetwa Natasha Makena Memorial. Natasha Makena Memorial mwankathai itirambiria wako nontuboa apparently nkuchaniririo tatika mubunge uyu na thirikari yenu. What is the solution to this? Kedro we privy to this.
Thank you. Actually no koma niyo taka kwene niyo ne mwana siasa. I'm just a humble CC member. Lakini nkwele project ya Kibogwa elewa kwa Kibogwa Health Center ni akwa ni thirikari ya Kenya Ministry of Health na project yenu on drawings de nacio na kulingana na title ile drawings yenu ntona ina title inge gutiga improvement of Kibogwa health infrastructure kogu mauntu ma ndageria kwegua thirikari igiaka gintu ikina kinenkera rietwa ria a private citizen na ntenda kutonyera mauntu makonie siasa ndi gitini kiria ndi kia Tharaka Nithi County, lakini munjengo onu ni wa the Kenya government na no managwa ni Ministry of Health, National Government. Nuko mea thirikari in Kenya kwina level chiri chia thirikari. Kwina level ya national na kwina level ya county na chiri irutaga wira ikogatana mbaru. Kwogu kwina mauntu mengi maruthagwa ni national government within our counties in collaboration. Nenu ni mwe yacio.
Ko ni commencate
basically ni mambiritie na plans na drawings. No menye national government itiomba gusha yambiria gwaka gintu itiambite gwikara nthi na maria magatumira
turiaririe Kibungu right
hugate ingo oria twakiuria kira nkuri magira kana
riu kwina Kibungu na kwina Natasha Makena Memorial
inu ntamigwa ali ntamigwa inu iria nkumenya ni Kibungu inu iri na Ministry of Health na nitwaritie na project director wa thibitari inu na abangite gusha twikare nthi atwire exactly ni structures ili kwa kwenda gwitate akwenda gwaka no nto kuribua kanyomba you know anokegwa thomerete architecture kuribua kanyomba utina the user in mind igatuka very difficult to operationalize on a flow ya patients no monke twike correct no for example ukegwa kaga theater ilibolwa na patient atonyaga na ilibolwa umaga riu kathie gwaka ta nyomba yaku ya kurara ati patient gatonya na ume na murango woria au riu ni kuna mawatho maria meta infection prevention protocols kwogu no mwanka twikare nthi na Minister of Health project director ato presentere na ria nkuga ato presentere niko present to my department nikenda technical people nuntu gukegwa kwina anesthetists gukegwa kwina surgeons gukegwa kwina nurses na other doctors who use there. Those are the internal stakeholders. Leo nyomba otumba kunekera nto structural drawings no mera yokiani kana tugaka buria tukwenda akesi ni point no kona Magutuni Hospital Magutuni Hospital tukiambiriria wira in 2017 after His Excellency Muthomi Njoki was elected governor twethire thietera yakitwe ku utiumba gutumira nuntu ona ba gutonyereria patient gutari akukuana nayo all right anagwa kuiga anesthetic machine na operation table akukua riu tweokirie twomora kumwe twathondekania kumwe nikenda yambirio gwitate gutumika na right now ni gutumika.
Yes. So now to be clear uribiro taibua Natasha Makena Memorial Hospital
we no ndegwo kiario boronu wa rietwa riu ni boria nkomenya ni ati kiria thirikari ya Kenya gwaka through the Ministry of Health ni Kibugwa Hospital building.
Si waziri ndakuonere mathikwene ya Kevin Kurikana Boya ya kana ka Mheshimiwa Patrick Munene na ntukweu nio Mheshimiwa Patrick atumiririe Ahaka Memorial Hospital ya Kurikana kana gake so unless you tell me atakwira in person but kwena mubango ya yuyu areo
riu we nontole a newsman no awigwa kimenyaga lakini ntiomba gwikara nthea mbugene nkomenya na niyo nte dependaga on hearsay ukoigwa
na atakwira
ni atambira ari atambira
as the minister for health
ari atambira I think my memory is still intact atambira
very well now again kwiro norungi turabwethetie rwa makondo ria bura ithirito ya kingi ya bonene sana the floods floods ichi affected mwanka some health facilities kwethora ni ona news cheweru kwiro no twabwethirite the other day tikurikana kithira ni dispensary riko but somewhere
Kangoto
I think so nchuki ya Gamba Ng'ombe makondo yani ya thukangite mako equipment mwe chibitari na kinyandawa. What is the plan for this?
Actually dispensary ni yetu ile rotere rwa barabara itagwa Kangoto na kulingana na sloping ya barabara na buria yenjitwa na mbere no ya mbura no yambiria kura kwa uraga every time muguo gatonya compound ya thibitari nginya yo na gutonya kuwe kethiro very difficult right now kwina road construction ikuthie on na muntu ria wachire na gichembe kya kiragita atemire gwatuika muguo kaumaga kuria iguru kabisa werekerete thibitari na nikio I think it was tariki 29 April mbura ĩrĩa yaurire utukonu nĩ yatumire kwagĩa na ronchi na rĩrĩa ronchi rwatonyire nĩ twetire my colleague engineer Gĩtĩ ũrĩa CC member wa roads na atũteithia kũruta mũguonu na gũte equipment yathũkua nĩ ronchi ndawa iria ciererete ronchi nĩ iria ciarĩ mbige bantu ile expired cieterete gũtuĩka destroyed gũtĩ ndawa ĩtaura kĩthemba gĩa gũtwa nginyagia ĩgakinyĩra shelves kwoguo report ĩno ngwĩciria kĩarĩ a bit exaggerated maybe for reasons of making news lakini the truth of the matter kana oma nĩ atĩ ndawa iria cia loete cia ina ronchi nĩ iria ciarĩ expired ciaigĩtwo thĩ gakatoni-inĩ cieterete gũtuĩka destroyed no tũtiumba ku destroy ndawa kana ku get rid of drugs anyhowly nĩ irũmagĩrĩra protocol ya ĩreta kwa pharmacy dispensation.
Okay. Waziri narua kwina story ya KEMSA. I'm not really sure nkorete Puria ntegere mantu jegie KEMSA na counties irite ithiro ikinenkirwa ndawa no ntubo marando meru irio. I'm not quite sure whether the Rakanithi is there, maybe Purity anaweza ni confirm. Eteo? History actually tumethoma some few minutes ago okay the standard babu ma relationship yenu na KEMSA bwine randu kana babu ibo kwa mukira ndawa. Meru we are on the red line because we have a debt of 85 million.
Yeah, first of all, how does it work? KEMSA na counties buditana ili ngo yate?
KEMSA for your information, KEMSA ni department ya Ministry of Health. Kwa gukurutithania wera between national government na county government no tabura nkwirira kabere collaboration the two levels of government. Kwa gu KEMSA wanaekithonde kwa no etagwa medical stores mbere. Chioka gwitwa KEMSA ne Anthony maruthite a lot of consultation ne kenda etwekaneo the main supplier of public medical products and equipment. Kĩrĩa gĩtũmaga wona counties iria nyingĩ irĩ na thĩna ya kũrĩba marandu nĩ atĩ flow ya mbeca kuma kĩrĩa exchequer national government to the county governments ithagĩrwo ĩrĩ very erratic. In fact at best ithagĩrwo icereretwo mũno ona cia kũrĩba mĩcara ya antu iceragĩrwo mũno. Kwoguo kũringana na arrangement iria twĩthaga twĩnacio na KEMSA nĩ atĩ kulingana na capacity, financial capacity ya kuliba marandu KEMSA no enenkarigera ntu nafasi nkinyagia a certain duration. Kwa hiyo ntiomba kumblame KEMSA na ntiomba kumblame counties no ntu nenkwerewa kabisa thine ribo. In fact wanatiga in the devolution no ntu no naruta wera before devolution ni twethaga twina thina ya ndawa cia KEMSA ona riria ya one national government. Kwogu bau ni bantu babatine kwigwa gichuthagirwa muno nikenda tugiririria antu magia na suffering ria makwenda ndawa na makarega ana riria warutha onda ukethira iria wa onda na iria mari nacio ticio nthe iriku ngenyo ukethira you have to supplement by buying from other sources.
All the same kinya kwethirwa Tharaka-Nithi itiweti actually Tharaka-Nithi is one of them ya ira chire nera ndoria KEMSA at
150 million 272 152
riu list tenu no ntiambite kumecutha menya reconcile na iria turibite na iria tutiribite ntiomba kuga it is reflecting the true status of the
okay
ya bata kwigwete uma
mantu yari wo
ntu ana consignment yenye turai na wana egora
okay
from KEMSA that is
okay well so all the same kwena chibitari mo akari actually bakotheta we've done stories chia akari baketheta bakiwa chibitari mo chia Tharaka-Nithi bari cieta kagure nonto uritwo kerwa kagure ndawa tutena ndawa
ngwichirio nu no rongo munene muno nuntu nkwere uma on a personal level niyo ningenda mathibitari monthe ntionaga irere kuracha kana irere gukube kwina ndawa ciithagwa essential drugs na essential drugs ciathondekirwe ni World Health Organization in collaboration na thirikari ya Kenya na ni twithagwa twina list ya kuonania ile ciithagwa essential kana drugs kana ndawa ile ibatine kuigwa ile must chigo
automatically
for example
no monka chigo yedo tanyamwa analgesic kinyamwa ndawa cia kuthiria pain antibiotics ni ciuraga bacteria na parasitics taino itumagirwa ku treat minyo gitu takeu
ichi zibatu kwetho chi in every facility
that's essential drugs list na umenye leu analia tukwa rwebora essential muntu achothaga kauria ni region iriko ya mwiri ugutreat oigwa ni gintu ta psychiatric problems kwina ndawa ile ibatine kuiga ile bocia psychiatric kwina ile chithagwa ile chia malaria for example no mwaka chigo ile kuma AL all right kwina ile chithagwa chia TB no mwaka chigo ile ku chia HIV ARTs no mwaka chigo ile ku lakini umenye tukinaragio bora essential wabota kuona daktari umwe andikite ndawa itebo ntoto mwanka ona ndukani utigaga kila kitu ana nyama ya ngorwe na ya ng'ondu leu no mwanka daktari ethirwa ari guided akanekerwa list ni hospital managers akerwa atiri these are the drugs that we have no for example utakona muntu akiuga atiri ngonenkera example kwena ndawa itawa Ampiclox Ampiclox ni ndawa itumagirwa muno muntu ari na kibara itawa kukorora na pneumonia etc na kwena ingi itawa ampicillin all right those two are antibiotics na kuna cloxacillin liu hapo takona muntu umiti andike ndawa flucloxacillin all right andika one thing ndawa inu ni ikuthondeka party werea na nikai ithondeketwo ni different companies all right ende wewe ukayomia na karamu gaku andika gintu kiro komegite
giteo
na ende no pengine kankuga pengine gako na example ntunyu ni monete ni monete for example mara metagwa drug merchants magituma salesmen and saleswomen makathi makauga ndawa eno ri ne onkwenda gutata all right lego gachuthiria withire muntu nenda kwandika wenu yonka enu arerirwe no twina ka commission lego ukandika gintu kiria kiri outside the essential drug
specific list
essential drug list lego mulwaru atemenya ke wamwandikira ndawa area ite in the essential drugs list area wewe uli nayo thibitari iri nayo lakini wewe wandika kuno ntwa gitumi kingi gutiga addressing the issue of the infection no to in the case gitutangari ri ukaruguta Toyota kana ukaruguta ngari ingi etagwa Ford ukauma ugakinya Meru
wakinya
leo is similar.
It's a similar.
Yes.
Itigere ndaika 14 Martin, I wanted to check some comment kiri Facebook yetu to relive kiri page ya Wero TV. Emmy Somari Aruga tuned is a very good man and active as a CS. When there is an emergency he can assist. Nilisikia during mugomo wa madaktari aliingia theater na akaperform surgery huko kuira kurongeo kuria bere your specialization bona gedara baka patients ongea Aruga Diana Kashungu akajure Aruga salute to Gesheo ya Tharaka-Nithi being the best. There's a good term of work between doctors, nurses, cashiers and the employee. Having the favorable environment and workers being aggressive make our health facilities the best. Drugs are delivered on time that contribute to better working terms. Kindly Geshonge, we as Tharaka-Nithi we invite Meru County for benchmarking and see how work is done. Tupelekeni polepole zile shida tuko nazo hii town.
Meru.
I'm trying daktari maybe tuere specialization ya kutu in layman terms non tukirio kiugikorwa.
Okay. Niyo ndathomire basic ira itagwa Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. Kuni gutwika medical officer wa kuofa surgical na isa na treatment. Ndachio kana other specialty itagwa obstetrics and gynecology. Enu nere ndiraga na mauntu makonie uciari na mauntu makoniĩ mathĩna marĩa methagĩrwo marĩ na ciĩga cia ũciari, that is reproductive health. Na inachokire na thoma others, you know, in the leadership and management in various universities. Ninarothire maternal and child health at Hubert Humphrey as a Hubert Humphrey Fellow. Na I've been also a research scientist at the University of Nairobi when I was teaching there. Na mauntu mengi ma microsurgery na tumauntu twingi
kuri kipindi karimi abwithe cikita wakuria mwana kia ura mwana bati kumenyerwa akura bibi couch wao. You give us some of these advices,
some of these insights.
Yeah, now tukithiria daktari Magutuni Mortuary, what is the state ya Magutuni Mortuary?
Magutuni Mortuary ni imwe ya iria tumbudgetite ku expand nonto eta most of the facilities chetu itakora ile hospital from the beginning. Ile chitawa de novo buildings ukiambiriria. Ile nyingi wanachuka hospital yambiriria as a small dispensary. Kwa uga twakurire tukirothaga additions Kuna a 10-body mortuary that we are putting up at Magutuni, but even today, kuna structures twekire incuba ku preserve bodies.
You know,
like
I asked this.
Take conditions ile muntu ankienda kuigwa, you know. Yes.
Ndirio nonto I am told Magutuni Mortuary muntu ateka mwiri ku nkurukia ntuko ithatu.
Nkurukia?
Ya ntuko ithatu.
Ngwiciro nte umano ntole nitorothaga embalming. Embalming etumagira ndawa itaga formaldehyde na muntu no ayekare mianka 10,000. Alright, ari preserved.
Not bakwithirwa ati tubako preserve. No tubakwithirwa ati buriro weka mwiri ntuko nkurukie ntuko ithatu because mirengene yite
no because of space.
Nengutikireria ati ne mochari nini lakini anadhata ino no karinga thimo kauria ne merega na iriku no makwirwa, you know, without looking like I have a bias. Mauntu maoma nintonyaga kumaita mengi muno mochari. Yes,
you seem to be a hands-on man.
Oh, I do. You know, as a doctor, you cannot
just sit
daktari alitomanaga ntonyaga kumaita mengi muno na you know kimona kiu kiruta wira ku ni kiruta wira wega muno. I am very happy with him.
Very well.
Yes.
Kamanyaki dispensary akariba na obaru wa hospitali with dispensary with rurawa weekends. You should check on that. Yeah.
I should check.
I should check.
Kamanyaki ne health centers emoya centers ile mbega muno Tharaka Nithi County mbega sana na itumagirwa kwanza igatomerwa ne antu maumite Kitui nontu ile boundary ni na recently ne twa expandire maternity na twambiria kuma supply na ronchi role and distilled na storage, beautiful place, even laboratory. Yes.
Now finally daktari Kenya Union of Clinic Officers bando by Mugomone
ewe onto body idia ole otukwenda nkwera na kamwe anyway olia
Clinic Officers bate goine barawire by Mugomone still yo yutirathira Tharaka Nithi situation ikari atia
menya kuringana na tuma Tharaka Nithi tutigwetaga ntara echa kuthama no kwigua reu waja kugweta ntara no ethame gankwenda kuga tuyo in Tharaka Nithi no tukwendelea kwaraniria na clinic officers meto wana maria mangi nurses na laboratory workers na CEOs okathio terega kwonwa nebunga kwera guno ntunani rera na kwera ntarete gwataga utuko ubati ne kumenya kuribu ne nkiuga openly ngatuma antu maria mangi magacha kutharikira mamangi riu kogu ukwelewa mugi ate mwiriro nteto
parting shot daktari tukirikia maybe kire
no wetegele ya gukwenda kweta
gakwenda kuga tere ankwenda kuga ende ne kinyete thine wa services kana gutumikira antu mauntu makonie ogima wa mwiri ya gutritaga mirimo ririo kumenya wega kwina diagnosis proper kana no kumenya kirio gutreat menya ta mwathi ategenda kugera rangani kithakani kenda aratha gintu agendaga mbere amba kuona ki ambako na kira koratha na nikio tukuga gindu tere itagwa evidence based medicine evidence based medical practice ne bati gwikirwa binya muno tugitumagira laboratories chetu no ndotari ugacho gikororaga kina uganga kwandikira ndawa wera nandikira uria ungi me tutimenya gikorora giki gukorora ni gia timbi tutimenya ni kia viral infection ta ya covid tutimenya ni ki nitio tuma tukuga laboratory services tuciikire binya muno ni kenda tubota gutreat antu metu tukimenyaga ni ndu tugutreat na ni economic no ndu tutumira ndawa nyingi muno ugatumira ria ukumenya murimo uria wona na laboratory niguo kugitatia tutigane na iria twathomithirio tene muno iria cietagwa syndromic management. Syndromic ni riria muntu acha arwarite akinaina, for example, agitetemaga tweragwa the commonest cause of chills kana fever ni malaria. Ego koguo kamberia gutiriti muntu na anti-malaria. Why don't you laboratory tests to employ ni kenda at least wana antumetu mego matego tuika subjected to unnecessary treatment na Tharaka Nithi county government ne thiete na mbere gwikira mauntu mau binya muno ni twambiritie laboratory services to partnerate with a partner chia gutritaga antu twambite kumathima no ntu twathimire tuona out of our level 4 hospitals twabotaga ku treat ku laboratory tests only 25%. You know, out of 125 only. Kogu ni tuongererete riu ithimi ona iria itonekaga within our region iria antu magendaga Nairobi kana out of the country ni tukurutha cia Tharaka Nithi including genetic markers na go trace cancer na even paternity testing if there is a problem. Na forensics
for your gender. For your gender, Martin. Those in doubt.
Kodima iria chitagwa cancer markers.
Cancer markers imbi.
Cancer markers manya gote mulimo ote footprint yau. Na footprint, for example, ya cancer of the liver ni iria itagwa alpha fetoprotein. Iria unkiomba kuruta ndamu ukathima ukona uyu ri akaigwa ina cancer of the liver, kwa you step in very early. Kuri twana tuthawa turi nda ya mangina mbere ya tuciarwa tukathwa ina problem congenital ile tuga congenital kana ile body problem kintu tere tutaga neurotubal defect ile chithawa ile on the spine na brain inu ni tukuthima Tharaka Nithi ona kana kari nda ngina tukamenya exactly kana kakabati ni gutreatwo na no ntu that other problem kogu kana nkiuga mirimo iria mingi actually mirimo yonthe iria imaginable kuri ndi Kenya twatumaga ithimi out of the country. All right. Right now in the whole of our region Tharaka Nithi county has the best laboratory services na anagutuika riu twambiritie Chuka county referral tukaci extend thibitari inu chingi chietu Marimanti, Magutuni na Kibunga na inu chingi tukapromote lakini ona tareu ithimi nwachio kwe kuma kou ikaletwa Chuka hospital ona kwina kandroni tuli nako karege kale kanini niketha wakati na ndereva gakugira kithimi kuna na kuleta within 2 minutes or 5 minutes
mnaendea mnarudisha
sidio inapimwa na fulani anapatiwa. Kogu ni tuthie back now to actual specifics tuthie specifics na tuge Tharaka Nithi ni tukwenda go target individuals already ni twambiritie geocoding of particulars here everybody in Tharaka Nithi all the 109,000 homes we have geocoded everybody, even a newborn.
So far?
Yes. Nekenda tukamenya wageria guturwo kana gukorora ugu tukamenya live. Then we respond immediately. That is the GIS system. That's the Geographic Information System, which we can always, we can track where you are. But of course, keeping the confidence, the doctor-patient relationship. So we are planning to roll out and go places to benefit from technological development, which is happening in other parts of the country, of the world. Sorry, nkwali ichonko lakini akwenda.
Thank you so much,
Thank you,
daktari.
daktari. You
Thank
know, some of those mantu yote huo tureaji coding ima tutuona akiri movies ya Hollywood.
Nebu? Well, part of my studies I did in US, na ninaonaga ile routine.
Yeah.
Kwa hiyo I would like us to also to benefit from some of those experiences in other countries. Tika kuende, tika kuende kwina menyo na Mwafrika kathomithio akomenya.
Ima. Thank you.
Ninaona tule Israel tukothera twana operations tulenda. Yes, Tel Aviv University. Yes. Yeah. So mama ni maundu tunkirutha.
Yeah.
Na tukarutha Tharaka-Nithi, tukarutha Meru, tukarutha Kenya yetu.
Daktari, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Ntubotona kanya. I hope very soon tuwawita ringi kendo tueleza mantu yu koraya. Thank you very much. We appreciate. Asante sana. Daktari Ndura Kukichoia CCM wa ugima mwiri county ya Tharaka-Nithi. Asante sana daktari. Thank you very much. Ntubakwithira ukiwina batwi. The next hour tuchokere tena mubango ya chanchamuko ya takoraya.
Thank you.
Weru Club.